Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a market today. Yesterday, US markets were down and today morning, Asian markets were down. But yesterday, FIIs have sold for more than 1000 crore. So when everything is showing negative, I really don't know why SGX Nifty was indicating about 30-40 point gap up. And accordingly, we also opened gap up. In the pre-market, I mentioned what happened yesterday and day before yesterday is something like that can happen today also. The market gap up open, it definitely will be sold into and previous day's low will be tested or it will be broken. And again, for the last 3 days, Nifty has been touching the 200-day moving average, then recovering. So the same thing. And then I said in the last 1 hour, there might be some recovery because today is a Friday. For the last 1 week, the markets have been down. So people will not like to carry the positions home over the weekend. So they might square up their short positions. So that may lead to some kind of a rally. And I also said rally means about 40-50 point. And that is what exactly has happened. Market opened higher, sold into, yesterday's low was broken. And after breaking the yesterday's low, it fell further 20-30 point and then market recovered. The recovery was really very good. At some point of time, it almost recovered about 100 point in Nifty. And today, what is different today compared to yesterday? So yesterday also same thing and today also same thing as far as the Nifty is concerned. And yesterday also Nifty closed almost flat and today it's not almost flat, it's absolutely flat. But one difference is that yesterday the broader markets outperformed and today the broader markets underperformed. Mid cap, small cap, next 50, everything was down. So that is one difference. Second difference is that yesterday the banking stock supported the market and IT dragged the market down. And today is just exactly opposite. And today, IT stocks supported the market, the banks dragged the market down. So that is the difference. I think that also I mentioned in the morning because of good results from HCL Technology. And so when the results are not good in Infosys, why should TCS has to fall so much? So today, no wonder TCS came under a good short covering. I think TCS has shot up about 50 rupees from intraday low to intraday high today. So, global cues did not support. So, as expected, FIIs were net sellers today. And today, FIIs have sold for 2,100 crore. I think now they are accelerating their selling. I think this 2,100 crore is the highest selling in this month. So, I do not know. When they start buying, they will continue to buy for 9 days, 10 days. When they start selling, they will continue to sell for 9 days, 10 days. I think today is the 5th straight day FIIs were net sellers and that too for a huge quantity. Domestic institutions, however, supported the market and they bought for 1,600 crore. So, markets, as I have always been telling you, not going to go anywhere in the long term, but in the short term, it can go so much up, so much down. Finally not going to go anywhere. So Nifty hit 18,900 in last December and 18,600 in 2021 September and now we are just struggling around 17,500 and 17,600. So 17,600 is being broken for third time or fourth time in last 1 week and yesterday I told you the story of hammer hitting a tin. That is actually not a good sign. And global cues are also not supporting. So anyway, so we have few more days and the markets will be focusing on corporate results and markets are keenly waiting for Reliance results. But I'm not very, what to say, I'm slightly neutral to slightly bearish about Reliance results. And ICICI Bank result will be good, but anyway, so that has already been factored into the market. That is why ICICI Bank also fell today. And now because the US markets also falling and Indian markets also falling after key corporate results. Right now, people mentality is like this. They assume that all the corporate results will be bad. So sell all the companies. And if they declare the good results, then we will consider covering the shorts. So with that logic, today Axis Bank fell, IndusInd Bank fell, ICICI Bank fell, and Reliance, Reliance is always like, for the last 1 week, 10 days, it has been very, very choppy, one day going up, one day coming down. So today, of course, that ended slightly positive. So let us see, we have very interesting expiry week next week with a lot of corporate results and a lot of action. So meanwhile, the India weeks keep going down, option premiums keep going down. I think it is not worth selling any options at these prices or at these weeks. So that's why I'm just closing most of my position. I just want to enjoy the last 1 week. Yesterday, the people have taken 17,700 short straddle. So I told you, and also I told you that I do not want to do. Today, the people have become bearish and there was a huge amount of open interest added at 17,700. So probably those who took a straddle, they are selling one more leg. So that means for one put, they will be holding 2 calls because they are bearish. So looking at the open interest, 17,700 is going to be very, very difficult. Of course, 17,700 will have some premium. If you put that premium taken into account, so 17,800 is going to be very, very difficult. So probably I will come out with a video why 17,800 is very, very important even for medium term. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.